it's Mimi. Welcome back to my channel. I wanted to come back on to share with you guys the present that I received from Anna, who is Serenity Creations. Hey girl. But before I share that with you, I want to share with you the only make and take I did yesterday. And it is this paper clip. This was the one that Anna was doing. So we have this large paper clip, and she had all these laces pre-cut, and they're so pretty. So this is the only make and take I did. There was others, but I was up really busy shopping, so and visiting with friends. So this is the only one I did, but I love it. And it's so pretty and sparkly and just how I like it. So this is what I received from Anna. She had forgotten this. She said the last time we had hung out, so she made sure to bring it yesterday. So it's in this Target Valentine envelope, and I believe there's Valentine's as well as Easter gifts in here. So let's see what's in here. I'm gonna pull everything out and then I will share with you what she gifted me. Okay, so first there is this super cute Valentine's like loaded bag, I guess you can say. And I remember when she was making these, she was showing me a picture of her sewing these up. And Anna, I'm so happy that you are loving your sewing machine and you are getting use out of it. So she had told me that she really never sewed before, but I think she was lying because her sewing is straighter than mine. So some things I don't know if they had fallen out because, you know, it was in that bag. So hopefully I have everything where it's supposed to be. So before I share that, there was also this cute little purple heart container that she decorated with some felt hearts and this like epoxy heart. And inside, she made me a dangle. I love it when she gives me these because I don't know how to do it. So it always gives me so much more inspiration. And now I need a place to hang this because I have her other charm already on my purse. So maybe I'll switch it out. So thank you. So in here, she decorated with a heart doily and then just layered up some die cuts and some ephemera. I love it when she layers because I'm really not that good at it. And then she has this little banner that says "Be My Valentine" and it's popped up. And then inside, and this stuff is like falling out of here. So let me just grab that. So look how cute. Super cute. And see, straight stitches. Mine would be like all, okay, maybe it wouldn't be that bad, but great job, girl. And she has this little, it's an embellishment. And look at how cute that is. And I did get some of these from Hobby Lobby a couple years ago, and I've been hoarding it. And she loves making these like paper flowers, which I'm not good at either. And just look how dimensional that is. And it's a little puzzle piece. And it is sturdy. So super cute. Thank you for that. I will save that for Valentine's Day next year. And then she has this, I think it's like a 3x3 note card, and she has this vellum shaker that says #love, and then some more punched out flowers here. So this note card is ready for me to write a little message and gift it. But knowing me, I probably won't because I don't like to really gift out handmade items. And then look at this super cute tiny clothespin. So I don't know if she glittered it. It looks like she probably did. And then she has 2 hearts. And then this acrylic arrow that I picked up a few packages this year because I love them. Because do you guys see that sparkle? Super pretty. And she has some tags and some cut aparts. Look how cute that monkey is. I love monkeys. Monkeys. And then these look like they're cut aparts from Authentique, which is great because then I don't have to cut them out. So thank you. And these bag toppers, I do not have this die. So thank you so much. I will definitely use those. And then in here, look how cute that little puppy sticker is. Is this another bag topper? Oh, it's like a build your own bag topper. So cute. And I don't have this die either. And she punched out these flowers. I don't have this punch. And I don't know if I have a die that does this with just the little circles. And here is like a bag topper. So thank you, and some epoxy hearts. So I will put those to use. And then she had said that she had ordered a double of this, and when she had come over a few weeks ago, I had played with hers, and I do have the waffle flower one, but these are so much tinier. So thank you so much for gifting this to me. And then look how cute this wand is. So I don't know, did you make this heart, this puffy heart, as XOXO on it, and then another one of those clothespins. Then she just layered up some more of the felt hearts and used another one of those acrylic arrows, and then tied a triple bow on this super cute straw. And I don't think I have these, which is surprising because I have every other straw. So thank you so much. It is so cute. Thank you for my Valentine's Day goodies. And she also gifted me one of these flowers. I love this. Look how pretty this is. And I'm guessing you got this at Hobby Lobby because now I need to go pick some up. It's a bead cap, but it's huge and it's blingy. So I love it. After she had showed this project on her channel, I went out and got some of the fake flowers from either Hobby Lobby or Dollar Tree, and they're just sitting in a vase waiting for me to make some of these. So this is great inspiration, and I have to hang this somewhere. Thank you. Love it. Okay, so then she gifted me some Easter gifts. Look how cute. So this was loose, so I don't know if this peep was supposed to be on here, but I put him on here. And is this the cat scrappiness die? Because I don't have this. And then she put a little tiny heart for the bunny butt on this gold paper clip. So cute. And then look at this super cute paper that she made this envelope out of. And she made some Easter hearts. So this is the die, the one that she gifted me. So those are the two sizes that it makes. And then she put these iridescent gems in the middle. And this is a wood tag. Super cute. Great idea to package up some embellishments like this. And then look at this adorable chick. And she's styling with a super cute spring bow. And she used some of those like iridescent gems for the eyes. And she sewed around this as well. And then here's another peep and some flowers that she just kind of clustered. Super, super cute. And inside here, I don't even know where you got this, Anna. Like, I don't remember seeing this anywhere, but it's so cute and I love the size. So she decorated the front of this egg pocket with some more felt stickers and that flower. And then she took some ribbon to make a flower. And then she has some die cuts in here. And some stickers. Look how cute those are. And then some of these rabbit die cuts, which I did cut out while she was here as well. So thank you, and can always use more die cuts, especially when I don't have to die cut them myself. And I was so excited to see this in here because I didn't even see this at Michael's. And if you guys saw any of my previous, I don't know, a few months ago, starting in, I think, starting around Christmas time, I'd gotten those other gems, but these are so much bigger because the ones I have are tiny. And I love these colors. And I know she said she got these at Michael's, but I really haven't been to Michael's in like forever. Like, it's been a couple months, I think, which is really rare for me. And then a Whack-A pack. I gifted all of mine to my boss that has 2 little boys, and he'd never heard of this before. So I might just gift this to him just because, you know, they're like little boys, and who doesn't like, you know, slamming on a little pouch to get a little balloon, right? So he thought it was the neatest thing. So those are my super sweet gifts from Anna, and I'm actually going to do another video to share the raffle prize that I won, because it's a pretty, I got a box when I won. So I will be back really, really soon sharing the raffle prize I won from Frank Garcia, and I'm so super excited because I only took a little sneaky peek of it, but it is a kit. So come back and I will share that with you guys. So thanks so much for stopping by, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.